I don't think there's anybody out there who is as good at producing friction welding components as we are here at KUKA Systems UK subcontract department. So my name is Turley and my role here at KUKA Systems UK is I am the company's metallurgist, and as part of my role I run the subcontract department. We require a metallurgist here at KUKA Systems UK because my job is to analyse the weld integrity for the parts that we produce on the subcontract department, but also as we produce machines for worldwide sale, we also analyse the weld integrity of the components that we produce from those machines before they get shipped to the customer. So on site here we have a preparation laboratory where we prepare samples, then we bring them into the laboratory and we analyse them under the spherical and optical microscope to check the weld integrity. So the reason that we do this is because we work to the friction welding standard 15620. If these components are required to be safety critical, we have to analyse the grain structure of the materials that we are bonding together before it gets to full scale production. My OU studies have taken me 6 years to complete to get to where I am now as a metallurgist. So as a company we produce solid state bonding where we will bond steel to steel, we will bond stainless steel to aluminium, we will bond copper to aluminium, we will bond titanium to aluminium to stainless steel. You know, I've got a great team, we have great facilities, we have a passion for what we do, we've been doing it a long time, and you know, myself personally, I don't think there's anybody out there who is as good at producing friction welding components as we are here at KUKA Systems UK subcontract department.